Hello everyone, I'm Anjali. Welcome back to my channel. Our recipe today is shrimp skewers served with salad. For the salad, I have here 300 grams mixed leafy vegetables, 1 cucumber, 100 grams cherry tomatoes. You can use any salad vegetables in your home. Chop the vegetables into bite size. To marinate the shrimp, we need 1 tablespoon chopped green chili and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander and 2 red chillies, but this is optional. With half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon cooking oil. Mix it all together, then season the shrimps with this marinade until well coated. And thread the shrimps onto skewers, leaving about half-inch space between each piece. Repeat this process with the remaining shrimps. In a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons oil. Then the shrimps in. Let it cook on both sides for 6 minutes in each sides. Meanwhile, toast the salad with salad dressing, then arrange some into a serving plate. For the salad dressing recipe, you can check into the description box below. And now the shrimps is done. Transfer it into a serving plate with salad. You can enjoy to eat this as it is, or eat it with a rice, or even sandwich it into a bread. And there we have it, the shrimp skewers with salad. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know what do you think this recipe in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.